So I want to add a little bit of brightness to these pansies, but I don't want to move the ink that's on here. So I'm going to demonstrate Sharen Harris's waterhole technique. And so I'm going to get a little bit of dipping my brush into alcohol, getting a little bit of this purple twilight, and I'll put that right there. You can see my palette is well used. And then I'm going to dip my brush in a little bit of water, and I'm going to break that ink up, and it'll feel gummy, kind of gummy on the palette. And I'll tap that off a little bit, and I'll come in here, and you can see there's just a light shade, and I can lighten up just some of those areas and add a little more pink. Go get a little bit more, and it won't move the ink that's under it. It will just give a little bit more color. And so maybe I want to do a little pink as well, so I'll grab some of that, put it in my palette. You do have to break it with alcohol to start, and I'll add some water. Move that over here, and I'll tap that off. Maybe I want some pink highlights in this pansy. I'll just add that, maybe a little bit more pink here. You'll see, just kind of sits on top of there. You can see just a little shade now, just a little hint of that pink coming through. So I want to darken in here and create some more interest. So let me grab a palette and get some red ink. We'll get some water, thin that down. And let's see what we can do here. Oh, I can add a shadow here. Add a shadow here. Can add a little bit of shadows in here. A little bit here. And so you can add your lights and shadows this way without moving your ink underneath. Tap my brush off. Let's come in here. Use some of that cranberry. And it's very subtle, but you can start to really create some nice depth here. Tap it off. And I can go in now and get all of those areas where I want some shadow. So you get the idea. Hope this was helpful.